This tutorial will show you how to match professional color grading from a movie or a still image in just a few clicks. So here we are back at the start, and we're looking to add some color grading to this clip here. So we'll go over to the project bin, we'll drag over the clip we want. In this case it's a still of the movie Shawshank Redemption. Just going to resize it to fit the frame. On the timeline we've got Shawshank on the right and our own clip on the left. You'll need Lumetri Color open for this, so if you don't have it open, go to Window, down to Lumetri, click that and it will open up. Then head over to Color Wheels and Match, and then across to Comparison View. And here we are in Comparison View. You can slide along across the timeline, so we just want it on this screen we're taking the color from. And then it's as simple as clicking Apply Match, and it's done. So it's not always perfect. You can turn it off and on again to see the difference there. We don't quite have the same elements, the brickwork, the skin tones to fully compare, but it brings out the color temperature and the depth of color. You can always tweak it. This is a great way of grabbing a color grade quickly. Hope that helps. See you next time.